Hi, I'm Emily from Cedar Hill Garden Consulting, and today we're going to talk about something that you may not have thought about in your organic garden, which is feeding your plants. We need food and water to survive and to thrive, and so do our plants. So what does that mean? About once a month, I teach my clients we're going to do something called First Friday Fertilizer. Now for you, that might mean that you go out to your compost bin and you pull some compost out of that and you spread it around the base of all of your heavy feeders like your tomatoes, your peppers, your onions, your garlic, all of those fun things that we're growing. But maybe if you don't have compost, you get plant food, which is a granular application that we can put around the base of the plant and support that throughout. I wish that it could be like a one and done with soil in our garden, but it's really not. We have to feed our soil continually in order for the plants to continue to thrive. Now there may be a term called NPK, which you're unfamiliar with, and that stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It's actually the first three little numbers on the front of a fertilizer bag, of a plant food bag. And what that means is the nitrogen supports the green leaves on your plant when your plant is first developing. The phosphorus supports healthy flowers for fruits and roots. And then the potassium at the end supports overall cell health in your plant. All these three things work together to give you a highly productive, healthy organic plant. So just remember, you have to feed your soil, to feed your plants, to feed you in your first organic garden. So head on over to kellogggarden.com. We have so many tips and tricks there to help you support your plants along the way.